Welcome back to our Frogger building tutorial. Today in episode 2 we're going to build the background for our game. You'll notice in this classic 1981 version there are some safe zones for the frog. There's this initial starting spot here. There's the gap between the road and the river, question mark. And then there's the top section where you sort of finish the level. I don't know what you call it. We're going to build those 3 different sections, including the road and the water, in today's tutorial. So yesterday. It wasn't yesterday, it was just 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago in our video, we had our cat move. If you haven't done that part, go back to part 1 and build your cat. Some movement. So we're going to go here and we're going to build a new backdrop. If you want to pick your own, there's lots and lots to choose from. The pre-made ones don't fit our criteria, so we're going to draw our own. And when you click on that button, you get 2. We only want the first one. I didn't need to do that, but here we are. We're going to draw one. Over here we have our drawing tools. Up here, our colors. The name, backdrop 1, is perfectly fine for us. We can change it if we want right there. A few other options here that we may get to later on. So we're going to build, like in our original frog game, a purple square at the bottom. So select the square button. I don't want an outline, but I'm going to leave it on here for a second just to show you the steps. Draw in a purple square, and we get our purple line at the bottom. But notice on here you can see there's a fine black line right there. I don't want that, so I'm going to change the outline to this red X, nil, whatever you want to call that. Turn it off, and our black line is gone. Okay, using the arrow button, I'm going to select that, Control C, Control V, so I get a second one. That's going to be our sort of our middle between the road and the water. So let's build the road, which is just going to be black. Boop. And let's build some water, which is going to be blue. Some blue water, and bloop. There, that's good enough for now. Our cat moves around. Oh yeah, notice right here when I've got this selected, and because I have it selected, I'm using the up and down. It's also moving the cat. It's also moving this box, so be careful about where you put that. Unselecting it will stop that movement. Before we close off this tutorial, notice that my cat here, he doesn't fit into this safety zone here. So let's go and put some code on the cat to make him smaller. So we'll get into these blocks a little bit later. But for now, you need one of these green flags. And then in the look, we're going to make it smaller, set size to 50%. He fits nicely in there now. You can change the size right here as well. I like building it in the code. Do what makes you happy. All right, I will see you in the next tutorial where we'll make this frog go past some cars.